Okay, what we want to do with these two problems is simplify them. They're very similar to when we are using numbers, so we're going to be very careful to do the same operations of simplification to simplify on these two particular problems. So let's attack this first one here, 40k over 72k squared. Now, we know that 40 is 5 times 8, and we know that 72 is 9 times 8. So, just to give you a picture of how it looks using numbers, let's just write that out, just for sake of simplifying, to show ourselves the pattern here. So we get 5 times 8 times k is the same thing as 40k, and 9 times 8 times k squared is the same thing as 72k squared. 8 goes into 8 one time, 8 goes into 8 one time. Those 8s basically cancel each other out. Here we have a k canceling another k, so we have 1 here, and then 1k is left in the denominator. So your result is 5 over 9k. Pretty straightforward and simple. Let's approach this next problem. For this problem, again, our mission is to simplify this problem. So, what do? Well, we see if the numerator can be factored, and it just so happens that factoring that numerator is going to help with the denominator in simplifying this. So I'm just going to factor that as 7 times 2. And then for both of these terms here, they have a common 35, so I'll factor out 35 from the first, which will leave me with x. 35 times x gives you 35x, plus 35 times 1 would give you 35. And then we look at the factors of 35, which are 5 times 7 times x plus 1. Note the factors of the denominator are 5 times 7 times x plus 1. The factors of the numerator are 7 times 2. Turns out that 7 cancels with 7, and you're left with 2 in the numerator and 5 times x plus 1 left in the denominator. And so you have simplification of these two problems, but make careful note that it's very similar to how operations are done on rational expressions with numbers, or fractions, I guess they would say in this case.